Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing very good. Welcome to Bankrupt Reader. I'm Akash and I'm here to talk about a book called 1984 written by George Orwell. I started reading this book during the times of lockdown, but I had to quit because the theme of this book was a bit depressive considering the times of lockdown, so I had to stop it. But finally, I have finished. And before actually getting into this book, I would clarify one thing that I am not gonna review this book, as I feel like I don't hold that position to review George Orwell's book. I would be talking about this book in a very generalized manner, and I would be revealing the plot and also the insights that author tried to give. So, talking about the plot of this book, the plot is about a guy named Winston who is living somewhere in the city London, and Winston, along with some other citizen living in London is controlled by a big political leader called Big Brother. So basically, Big Brother is a political leader who's trying to control almost every aspect of human life, be it freedom of press, freedom of expression, uh, the freedom to write something, the freedom to consume the kind of literature you want, the freedom. There are many things, and even in this book, you don't even have the freedom of thinking. Everything is controlled by this man called Big Brother. Basically, the author George Orwell had tried to introduce us the ideology of totalitarian. Totalitarian, not exactly, he didn't introduce, he just gave an insight of how totalitarian looks like. So, basically, totalitarian is an ideology of running the country whereby each and every aspect of human life is controlled by the ruling party or the ruling leader, and it is completely opposite to the democracy. Even in real life, even in this earth, we can see countries like North Korea, which is a prime example of how totalitarian works. There's no freedom, you cannot do anything. You have to, I'm not against any countries, I'm not against any country, I'm just saying that that is how totalitarian works. You don't have any freedom, everything is controlled by the ruling party or whoever it is, the authoritarian party. It was a very good book, and this book comes under the list of 100 books to read before you die. And this is actually a very good book, although it's a bit tough, not exactly very tough, considering this book is a classic book. It's not very tough, it's not very easy, it's somehow not exactly a beginner friendly, but it's okay. And it's a lovely book, so if you want to consume some good literature or something, do read out. I'm sure you'll love it. It's a great book. And until then, bye. I'll be keep talking about some good books, and yeah, I would love to know what you felt about this book. Thank you.